Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming Channel. Press Edit mode. Press Program button. Try creating new program. Number O8000. You can see Write Protect Alarm. Now try creating new program number in O9000 series. You can see Write Protected Alarm. Try creating program number other than 8000 and 9000 series program. Now program number O5700 created. Now we will see how to unlock the program number from O8000 to O9000. Press Offset button. Switch to MDI mode. Input 1 in parameter right. Press System button. Type 3202 and press number search soft key. Input 0 and NE9 to unlock 9000 series program. Input 0 and NE8 to unlock 8000 series program. Switch to edit mode. Press program button. Now try creating program number in O8000 series. Now you can see program number O8000 is created. Also try creating program number in O9000 series. You can see program number O9002 is created. Thank you for watching the video.